So you want to start streaming. You open up OBS, look at all the settings, and you go, I have no idea what I'm doing. How am I supposed to know what settings to put into OBS? Somebody help me! Don't worry, guys. I will be the one to help you and show you how. Stick around. So as you guys can see, obviously OBS has some crazy settings in it. This is not a detailed guide. This is a quick guide to get you up and streaming, because I know that you are just edging to start streaming and I know you really want to just get started. So I'm not going to waste your time. We're just going to do this straight away. Okay, so welcome into the settings part of OBS. It is pretty easy to navigate. Just open up OBS and on the right side, you'll see settings. In your stream, you want to select your server. So I am streaming on Twitch. Server is auto recommended. And then if you need a stream key, you can get that from your dashboard in Twitch. This is, you know, it just does it automatically for me because I don't know. Maybe it likes me. I don't know. It's just automatic. I don't have to put my stream key in here. Anyway, so let's go to output. Now this is the most important part, guys. You want to have output mode over here on advanced, and it will give you all these extra settings. Now, mine are grayed out because I'm currently recording, so I can't select anything or change anything. Jump down to encoder here. Now, I'm using the NVIDIA NVENC 264 That just means that it's going to be utilizing my GPU for processing power. So if you are streaming with a single computer and you have an NVIDIA 10 series or higher, 20 series, 30 series, I recommend that you select this. Now, don't worry about the rescale output. Rate control, we're going to select CBR, and the bit rate can go up to a maximum of 6,500. For all you people in America with your amazing internets, you should be able to run that at max. Don't go any higher than 6,500 because Twitch will bomb your stream and lower the quality on it. I use 5,000 because that's what my internet can handle. Thank you, Australia. Your internet's awesome. The next preset I have set is quality. Now, you can run max quality if you're running a higher series graphics card, but I don't. I've only got a 10 series. I'm going to have quality. You can run performance or max performance as well. Set that to whatever sets. If you have a 10 series, I would recommend doing quality. Now, the profile I have set to high. Look ahead ticked, visual tuning ticked. I think that's by default. GPU 0, max B frames 2, and going back up to keyframe intervals 2 as well, guys. Audio. I'm not going to talk about audio today. Just leave it as default. Make sure that your microphone is set in your mic here, auxiliary, and maybe some default on desktop audio as well. There is a lot more advanced audio stuff. I don't really mess with it. I've got mine all set pretty well. Jump down to video, base canvas resolution. So this is my monitor. It is actually a 2K monitor, and I'm out scaling to 1920 by 1080. You probably don't want to go any higher than that. I have seen some streamers streaming in 900p. It's something that I'm going to look into because apparently the quality loss isn't that much, and it's a lot easier on your system as well. So if you want to have a look into that, 900 it's 1600 by 900p. For quality, it's not that much difference than here. I'm going to be looking into it, but for now, I use 1080. Downscale filter is Lanzos. Sharpen scaling 36 samples. Who knows what it means? Just set it. And then I also stream in 60 frames per second. I believe most people can handle 60 frames per second and around 1080. If not, try 720, 1920 by 720, you get better. I used to stream in 720. It works fine. Hotkeys. Who cares? Advanced, process priority, I put on high. It basically means I want my PC to process OBS a little bit higher priority than everything else that's running. So with the streaming programs that we all run in the background, OBS will be higher. You don't want it to crash. You don't want it to, you know, cark out while you're streaming. It's just a pain in the ass. Everybody leaves and they're like, this is terrible. I'm leaving. So yeah, just chuck it on high. And then your video, you've got some render settings in here. I do recommend chucking color range on full. It does appear to help a little bit with the color range, and then your NV12 and 709 color space as well. How bloody easy was that? So there you have it, guys. Really quick run through, so you can just copy the settings, get it in. If you're having issues, put some comments down below about the issues and I'll try to help you out. There's lots of variables with streaming that come into it. You can also test your internet as well if you're in Australia and you want to know if you have fast enough internet to run your stream. All the usual, guys. If you like the video, thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All the links are down in the description. You can follow me on Twitch and come and say hi to the community. I absolutely love you and have a wonderful day.